Alright, we got the daily deals at the Lowe's. We got some pretty good deals. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Alright, good morning, everybody. Let's go ahead and start. We got the daily deals. And again, I'll leave you guys the links down below in the description section of the video. It might be affiliate links at no extra cost to you. You got the timer right there, so you guys know it's the daily deals. Just today, there are some here for the bathroom, some vanities. I'm not gonna go over them. All right, let's go down here. Some other stuff for the bathroom. All right, so this one's pretty good. This one's built for a DIY, basically. It does have a lot of tools inside. For $149, that's a really good deal. I already saw this at the Lowe's. You got impact driver, you got drill driver, you got a fan, a circular saw, a light. Looks like a 3-inch or 2-inch cutting tool, multi-material cut tool, and then you got a reciprocating saw, a sander, an inflator, and a light. So that's pretty solid right there for a DIY, somebody getting their first house, apartment. Yeah, so pretty good. $149. That from I believe the sale was $200 or $199 at the Lowe's. So now it's $149. It's pretty good. Next one down, we got some Metabo. So this one, the first one's a screwdriver. It's a 1/4-inch screwdriver for $59. Pretty solid. You got a drywall, a rotary tool. I think it's a drywall cutout tool. Basically, that's what it is. $89. You got a heat gun there. This is $89. You got a light, $89. What is this, like 10,000 lumen light? Wow, that's a lot. And then you got this screw gun. Looks like, well, come on. Fighting with this thing. Oh my god. Battery powered anti-drip caulk gun, and then the screw gun. Yeah. So $129 and $139 for those. And again, I'm fighting with this thing, trying to keep it on this side. Alright, for the kitchen, we got some range hoods. Pretty nice, actually very inexpensive for $3.99. Alright, the star of the show, basically, this is the, I'll just click on it, why not? Miter saw. It is $3.99, so this is a DeWalt 12 amp or 15 amp 12-inch dual bevel sliding mount compound miter saw. It's the DWS 779. You guys know this miter saw is pretty much one of the best ones out there. It's not the best, it's not the top one, but it's very close. It is $3.99 from $5.99. And then you do get a stand with this one, so buy one get one free on this one. Pretty good. Offer ends $131.25. I believe they offered this one before, so but still pretty solid deal. Guys, that's it for today. Just a short one. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.